In this video, I'm going to give you a more in-depth instruction on how to utilize the advanced filters on our TikTok product finder. Now, this tool is best for anyone who is a little bit more advanced, and this can make you a lot of money because you can actually analyze whether or not your product will do well on this particular platform. You can also analyze if you're an agency, maybe some details, and you can kind of take a look at the overall market, and you can just look at your competitors to see what they're doing and how they're becoming successful on this platform. So there's a lot of different ways. I mean, there's more than even those three, but that is really a great use for these advanced filters. So let's go ahead and get into the tool. So again, the way you get here is you go into the products tab and you're going to click on product finder, and it's going to bring you to this TikTok product finder. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this advanced tab. Make sure you have this on advanced, and it's going to show you these filters. Now, if you put something in here, you're going to be able to see the results here that are where that word is written in the product title, the keywords, or the TikTok shop. So for example, if I put in lipstick here and I searched lipstick and hit apply, I'm going to see basically all products that could be lipstick, or they could be just products that are in a shop that sells lipstick. So for example, this one isn't necessarily a lipstick, it's like a lip plump. So you're going to see that here. There's some lip oil and some different things that are also kind of in there. So that keyword lipstick is somewhere in their shop or the listing or the keywords. And that's why these are actually showing up here. If you wanted to look specifically for a brand, and I think a lot of people do want this, let's take a look. And here's Anastasia Beverly Hills. If I want to copy that, or actually no, Tarte. I know Tarte's doing really well. So let's do Tarte. Say they're my competitor and I really want to see what they're doing. I'm just going to put their brand in here. And I am going to hit apply, and I'm going to be able to see all the different products that they are selling. And then I'm also going to be able to click on those products. So if I click on Tarte colored clay right here, it's going to take me to this product detail page, and it's going to give me more in-depth information. So you can actually see the images from the listing. You can see the total items sold, the GMV, how many influencers they have, how many relevant videos they have, the review rating up here, price, when it was listed, and also in the graph form, you can see a lot of these same items. But this is where the goal is if you are looking at your competitors, is you can actually see what influencers are promoting that brand. So Peyton here, for example, in the last 7 days has sold 302 of these, so 10,000 GMV based on these videos. So you can click on her videos, and it's actually going to take you to the videos. And say, you're liking the videos that she's doing, you can actually reach out to her. So the way that you could reach out to her is you can just click on this checkbox and click invite. And then you're going to be taken to our influencer messenger right here, and you'll be able to reach out to those influencers that are really targeted for your particular product. So let's go back to the TikTok finder. So that's kind of how you can look at your competitors. It's a great way to kind of find out what they're doing, how much GMV they're doing, all that great information. And I love using that just to kind of compare myself to the market, see if the product that I'm selling is actually going to be good, if my competitors have been able to do it or not. And what I'm up against. You can also search by category. So you can actually go all the way down to the L3 level, which is none of our competitors actually do this kind of data. Say, for example, I wanted to let's go to women's. Okay, so if I wanted to go to women's wear, and maybe I wanted to sell dresses, but maybe I want to just sell casual dresses, or I sell casual dresses and I want to see what the market looks like. I can hit apply and I can see those casual dresses right here. And again, I can click on this and I can see exactly the influencers that are promoting this. I can see, the GMV of these, if it's trending up or down. So there might be certain styles that right now are trending down or trending up, depending on the season. So you can actually see. So for example, this Christmas one obviously is going to be trending up because it's getting into the holiday season. So that's all really good information right there. You can see how much is being sold by affiliates here. It's really good to know this. This one's only being sold by 2% of the affiliates. So they are getting a lot of searches somehow on this platform as well. So say, you wanted to go and specifically look at dresses that are in your price range, like the same as yours. So say you sell your dresses between $40 and $100, you can do a price range there, and you can hit apply and it'll filter it down to that price range. So you can find products that are pretty much in that price range. And when you click on here, you can see, the types of influencers that are sharing your product in that price range. All of this detailed information is going to show from the last 7 days, and that's what this time frame is right here. You can also filter by the number of items sold. So if you want to see things that have sold a ton of items or a ton of GMV, you can filter by that. You can also filter by trend. If something is stable, growing, or exploding, you can find those particular types of dresses. Maybe you wanted to do a new style, you could find the new styles that are trending and exploding. You can also look at products, based on the affiliate sales share. So if you wanted a product that doesn't rely heavily on affiliates, you can actually look for products that are doing well without affiliate sales. So maybe you could do maximum 20% is by affiliates, and you can actually filter that way, and you'll find a bunch of different products here. You can also filter by the number of active influencers that this product has had in the last 7 days, the number of active videos that it's had in the last 7 days, and whether or not it's had new influencers or new videos. So overall, this particular tool is really helpful to not only analyze the data, but you can analyze for your competitors. So you can say, hey, they're doing really well, I need to move onto this platform. You can actually reach out to the same influencers that they're reaching out to. If you're in an agency, you can actually see a lot of details to give your clients, and you can say, hey, there's a lot of opportunity here. We can move you over to TikTok Shop, and you should be successful based on the numbers and the different types of products that are similar to yours that are doing well. So there's just a lot of use cases for this. And the more you play around with these filters, the better you're going to, find some new product ideas. But also it's just such gold to be able to see those influencers and, what's actually working for your types of products. So check out the advanced filters on the TikTok Product Finder.